Good afternoon. This is Cody Kaufman, Christopher Becker, Fth202, May 10th, 2025. I will be disassembling the Taurus revolver double action, and I'll be right back when I get the punch to get the grip off. Alright, so the side plate is off. Let's set that up here out of the way. Now, first thing you do, alright, so the side plate is off, and now we'll be cocking the hammer, or using this little paper clip to put in the hole here and releasing. Just going to catch it, and we can remove the hammer strut assembly. Okay. Put that out of the way. Next, we can remove the cylinder and yoke. So, keeping this together. Now we're right here. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're gonna cock the hammer back. We gotta get the firing pin out. The best way to do that for this multi-tool. Take out the firing pin retainer. Put that. Now cock back a little bit. Let's. The firing pin and spring. Put that over here on the. Now we can cock it back. Just going to build a little hole. Use the paper clip. Now we got that in. There. So now we're going to flip it over and use the punch. Well, dang, paper clip fell out. I'll flip it over. I'm going to use, well, punch to knock it out. There we have it. Now we can get the hammer out just by clearing. Oh, let's bring it back. I'll be right back, so I don't take up too much time getting the hammer out. Here's the hammer. I'm going to set that right there and move on to the next. Alright, the next step would be removing hand. So you want to bring it out. There's a little spring in there. You can get my pliers here. There it goes. Here's the hand. I'm going to place that right here. And the plunger, we'll put a spring there. Next, move the trigger. Take some force to get out. There we go. Trigger's out. This is the transfer bar. Next will be to remove the thumb piece and a screw. Okay, now we're going to take out the cylinder stop. You can see the pliers. Cylinder stop. And now let's finish taking out the bolt. Bolt spring, the little bolt. Now we have a fully disassembled revolver. I took all the notes, so let's go ahead and. So the hand, we got the hand right here. It's the component gauges, the ratchet and the cylinder, rotating it to align to the next chamber. The next chamber with the barrel. The cylinder houses the ammunition. Let me get it right here. Houses the ammunition. I'm about to shorten this. The sear. It's right here, the sear. The hammer, which is here with the sear. Trigger, the barrel, firing pin, look out right here. So feeding, the cylinder rotates to position a new cartridge in the line of barrel. The chambering, the cartridge is aligned with the barrel. Locking, the cylinder locks into place to ensure proper alignment. Firing, the hammer strikes the firing pin, which ignites the primer and fires the cartridge. Unlocking, the cylinder unlocks, allowing rotation to the next cartridge. Extracting, the spent cartridges are pulled from the chamber. Ejecting, the ejector rod pushes the spent cartridges out of the cylinder. Cocking, the hammer is pulled back, engaging the sear and preparing for the next shot. That's been week 2 disassembly of the revolver. Thank you.